Yeah, so that very same system that brought them the very high winds and then also the dry conditions, that's what brought us also the record heat here in Southern California. The good news today for us is that things are starting to cool down and we're looking at a very quiet weather pattern. You could see this beautiful sunrise this morning as we look at it together. We do have a lot of the high clouds really drifting in right now, so very different than this time yesterday. 60 degrees currently for downtown LA, still a little bit cool with those winds a little bit calm. So it's one of those mornings, if you're going to go cycling, it's a good morning to do so. We will still see those temperatures go up to slightly above average by the afternoon, so just be aware of that. But overall, no warnings and advisories to talk about this morning because that high pressure system is leaving us and there is a low pressure system to the north of us that's bringing in the cooler air and the clouds. That is why we're looking at much more of the high clouds drifting overhead. Ice beverage today, I'm going to say make it a large because it is a little cooler, but we're still slightly above average, so 70s and 80s here in the Southland before the weather gets even cooler as we head into the middle of the week. So the reason why we're dealing with this cool down is because of that system to the north of us bringing in an increased sea breeze. So this has really dropped our temperatures down to about 10 degrees compared to yesterday. Here's a look at just how strong we're going to see those gusty onshore flow, that sea breeze pickup as we head toward the afternoon. A little bit stronger over the high deserts and the mountain communities. And then you can see how that sea breeze continues to linger with us even as we head into Wednesday. And then once we head into Thursday, it's still with us, but we're looking at those temperatures even cooler. So Thursday is going to be the coolest of the next 7, and then that low pressure system is sliding away. So by the end of the week, we have a little bit of a ridging taking place, and that's going to help warm things up just in time as we head toward this upcoming weekend. And then things start to cool back down by the start of next week. So kind of that up and down pattern, which is very typical for this time of year, but we're actually seeing no rain in the forecast, even though we need it. But at least we get some relief from all that heat that we had the last couple of days. 70s and 80s today, 60s and 70s tomorrow. Then it gets down to below average as we head into Thursday. Remember, Thursday is the coolest, as I just mentioned, and then we're warming up with 70s and 80s returning all over again as we head into Friday, and a lot of it strengthening as we head into Saturday too. Back to you guys.
All right, Amber, thank you.